Guys, welcome back to this online course, and we're going to talk about lines and emotions. This is in continuation with the creative section that we've talked about. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can approach these questions where they ask you to represent emotions using lines, or it could be also a situation or a scenario that you have to represent using basic shapes. So yeah, let's just solve a few questions and I'll give you a few tips how you can do that. So when we talk about lines, we have different types of lines. We have horizontal lines, we have vertical lines, we have diagonal lines, we have curves, we have wavy lines, and then we have edgy lines. So we're going to talk about first three lines, like first three types of lines, the horizontal, the vertical, and the diagonal lines, and I'm going to tell you the emotions that are attached to this, the way you're using it, and then we'll discuss further. So first, the horizontal lines. So when we think about a horizontal line, it's pretty flat and there's no movement to it. Okay, so there's no sense of movement, there's no sense of direction. It's stable, it's stagnant, and it's also used to represent silent because it's just there, there's no movement. It can also be used to represent dignity, there's no ups and downs. And then when we talk about vertical lines, so talking about vertical lines, first thing that comes to mind is that they move up and it's growth, powerful, strength, but it could also be ego. You know, it all depends on the context that you use it. And then when we talk about diagonal lines, if they go upwards, it's escalating an emotion, and if they go downwards, the diagonal line, if it go downwards, it means reduction and degradation. Now we will talk about curves and the wavy lines. So curves, like you see on the screen, if it starts from one point and ends at another, it goes up and comes down. It gives a very sad feeling. If it's the other way around, it's a happy feeling. And when you talk about wavy lines, it goes up and down. It's a combination of that. So it's, close to what I would say it's about life, like there's ups and downs, there's excitement, there's cheerfulness. So it's that kind of feeling attached to these lines.